The ICEPURE RFC6600A Refrigerator water filter delivers very clean, fresh-tasting water by significantly cutting chlorine and common tap water odors while keeping beneficial minerals. Its fine filtration media and natural coconut shell carbon are designed to capture a wide range of unwanted particles and chemical contaminants that many basic filters tend to miss. Build quality feels reassuring, with food-grade lead-free materials and independent laboratory testing that give confidence in the filter's safety for everyday drinking water. In use, the filter maintains a strong flow, so filling a glass, coffee maker, or large pitcher does not feel noticeably slower than the original refrigerator cartridge. The cartridge locks in securely with a snug, leak-resistant fit that helps protect the refrigerator compartment from drips or moisture buildup. Installation is straightforward and tool-free, and the broad compatibility with many Whirlpool and Kenmore style models makes it a convenient replacement choice for multi-appliance households.